Verifying your DoorDash account is an important step to ensure your identity and secure your access to the platform. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device or visit the DoorDash website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once you are logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the menu option in the app. Step 3. Select Verification Options. Look for the Verification section within your account settings. This may be labeled as Verify Account or Account Verification. Step 4. Provide required information. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for verification. This may include your phone number, email address, or identification documents depending on the requirements. Step 5. Confirm and submit. After entering the required information, review it for accuracy and then submit your verification request. You may receive a confirmation message or email once your account is verified. Once you have completed these steps, your DoorDash account should be verified. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash support for assistance.